Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 star Sudoku number 7579. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright. 3 threes. 3 fours. 3 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, 1 9. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with 2? That's the question. Yes, 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place level the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well, I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. How about? Well, the number. I need a 1 here. Need 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these, a 3 box here, 3 in this column, no 3 in those, 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, the place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. We have 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level the 7 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes and there. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes and there. How about 4 and 8? Well. I need a 5 here. Need an 8 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with 8, should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column, the only place left with 8, should be there. Now I cannot continue with 8. Well, need 8 there, need 8 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left with 6, should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. And then look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4, 4. Alright, and now 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4, should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row, second row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. It's the only place left for the 4. It should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Okay. 1, 1. Okay. I need a 2 here. And I need a... Well. 4 in this row, third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. Okay. 5, 7, 3. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the 1, 9, 7. Okay. Alright, and now. Let me think. Yeah. Need 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Need a 2 there. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 1, 3. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. So 3 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright. That means we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 9 in the more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 1. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 179, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 6, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Then 8, 9, and the 6. Well, 1, 7, 9. Alright. 3 and the 5 are missing in this column. We have a 3 now in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes in there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third columm, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 7. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in the third column, the 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. I need a 9 here. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. I know 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes, and they're finishing 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku. Although it has 24 printed digits. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, so we'll do the thing. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, Bye bye for now.